Good morning. Today I will try to fix my alarm clock, analog alarm clock. It's already rusty. I think I need to replace this part because when I tried to put a battery, it does not. The battery will just fall off. No spring at all here. This should have a spring here. So, where is this connected? It's not clear. The video's not clear. Where are we going to connect this one? It's coming from this one. It's coming from here, the center. Maybe I can use this. I had this for a long time already. Maybe I can make a spring out of this. Try to make a coil from this circular cylinder. So this is the result. We'll cut it here and put it in the alarm clock. I will solder this to the alarm clock. I was able to remove this from here. It's rusty already. I can replace it with this one. So I placed a tape, electrical tape, so that this won't move, and then I will solder the wire here. So the alarm clock is working now, but the problem is it does not sound the alarm. I put it here and it should produce a sound alarm. But does not do it anymore. Oh. It doesn't. I think my alarm clock is fine now. Turned out that it did not sound because I accidentally turned off the alarm. But if I turn it on, alarm clock is good to go. Next. Ow. Something to get it. This is my modified battery holder. I changed the diameter of the spring because it was too big, since the battery, since this must touch this metal here, not the one here, but the metal at the center. So I made sure that this one will touch this one. And I cut the number of turns. I reduced the number of turns because if I place the battery, it did not fit, so I reduced the turns. For the black wire inside that was not connected before, remember the black wire? It's not. I connected the black wire to the negative inside. So the yellow and the negative wire, the yellow and the black wires are connected to this node. This is the negative, this is the positive side of the battery. So both the yellow and the black wires are connected here at the negative node.